All right, guys, welcome back to episode 5 of Grilled Cheese Wednesday. Now, today we're going to do something I've never done before. We're going to make a pizza grilled cheese. I'm sure it's not going to taste exactly like a pizza, but I mean, the ingredients make it sound delicious. So, yeah, let's get in and check them out, and we'll get this cook started. So, we have 2 pieces country white bread, Serrano and onion. I love veggies on my pizza, so I figured I'd throw them in there too. We got some pepperoni here. It's just some, pre-cut up stuff. I'm just going to warm it up on the Blackstone and then throw it on the sandwich. This is our mix of mayonnaise, garlic, and salt. And I'll put the amount that I use for that in the description. We're going to use that to toast the bread. This is the Italian seasoning or cheese that we're going to use. It is mozzarella and Parmesan. And then this is the sauce that I'm going to use, and I'm going to heat that up on my small skillet here. So yeah, let's jump right in this. This isn't going to take too long, so let's get it going. All right, guys, we're going to start off and get the sauce cooking up. That's probably way more than enough, but there we go. So that's just going to be heating up over here. Let's just get some oil around here real quick. Let's get these pepperonis going. I just want to give them a nice little toast before I put the sandwich together. That's definitely enough. There we go. I'm just going to put that right on top. Boom. Let them cook. All right, let's get these veggies going. Put a little more oil right here. And let's just put it right down on there. Yeah, this batch of Serranos that I got has been really spicy, so hopefully it's going to stay the same. All right, there we go. Here we go. See, just lay the spatula on them. Now they're laying a lot flatter. Let's just move these around a little bit. Yep. Let's get them coated. All right, boom, let them go. All right, let's check on these veggies. Yeah, that stuff's cooking up good. All right, yeah. Check on these bad boys. Oh yeah, these are pretty much ready to go now. Oh yeah. You don't want to cook them too long and dry them out. There you go. Come on, baby. There we go. All right, let's check on this sauce. See what's going on with that. Yeah, this is my my Volrath number 3. I love cooking sauces in the little guy like that. Yep. All right, let's just keep that going. This is good. All right. All right, guys. While this thing got the sauce heating up, let's get this built. So we got bread, we got the mozzarella Parmesan cheese blend, love the smell of some garlic, boy. Put a little bit of that on there. Oh yeah. Some Serranos, boy, they're good. All right, let's throw some of these bad boys. Should have brought my other spatula out. All right, there we go. Another piece of bread. Oh, no, cheese. Whew, man, I almost messed that up. Some more cheese on here. All right, that ought to do it. That's gonna be good. All right, now we got that. Let's put a little bit of the mayonnaise garlic blend. And I was smart and remembered a knife this time. Man, that garlic. The grilled cheese the Disney grilled cheese, I think that might have been the last episode I did for Grilled Cheese Wednesday. I did their recipe calls for garlic in the mayonnaise that you fry up the bread with, and it was delicious, and I don't think I'll ever go back. It was that good. All right, I'm gonna put this over here. Let's get this. Let's give this a little stir. All right. All right, that's coming along good. Boom. All right, I'm gonna bring you back in just a minute here. Yep, and we're gonna flip this thing and see what we're looking at. All right, guys, I moved this down to get this hotter a little faster. Let's take a look at what's going on here. Oh no. Fail on the flip. We're still good though. Yeah, we're still good. All right, just lost a couple pieces of cheese. All right, that's looking real good though. See that nice coloring? That is looking good. All right, cool. I'm gonna bring you back when I take it off there. All right, let's give this thing a look. Oh, we got some crusty cheese right here. Oh yeah, it's looking a little good, boy. All right, here, you know what? I'm gonna get this plated up. I'm gonna cut it and show you guys what the result is. All right, so you're seeing what I'm working with here. This is looking amazing. So let's give it a try. We got a nice color on both sides. You can see the garlic in there. Ooh, them veggies are looking good. That cheese is nice and melted. Got some pepperoni right there. Let's dip this. This is probably gonna be really hot. Yep, really hot. That is really good. It reminds me of one of the little personal pan pizzas you get from Pizza Hut. That's what that reminds me of. That Serrano is nice and hot. Veggies are nice and crunchy. You got a little crisp on the pepperoni. And of course that crust on the bread. Tell you what, mayonnaise is way better. I've never done mayonnaise before I started doing these videos. And it's way better than just putting butter on there. So take my word for that. Definitely try it. Let's give one more bite of this. It's really hot. That's all I got today, guys. Appreciate you coming along. Appreciate you if you're still here. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you like what you're seeing. And we'll see you next week for another episode of Grilled Cheese Wednesday.